Hello, my dearie class 9 and 10 students. Wish you a rainbow morning. Today we'll do comprehension. Today we'll do comprehension. What is the meaning of comprehension? Comprehend means to understand. Comprehend is a verb that means to understand. So comprehension, your meaning is your understanding test. This is test of your understanding skills after reading something. This is test of your understanding skills after reading. So here, first of all, you must know comprehension is question number 4 in your examination. And this question contains 20 marks. So before you start doing this question, first of all, read the given passage quickly. Read the given passage quickly and get the general idea. You are reading the passage very quickly and your purpose is to understand what the author wants to say overall. So you are reading very quickly. Now come to the question and start reading questions. Start reading questions. First question you'll get, it will be on the basis of vocabulary. There will be 3 words which are used in the passage, and you have to write the meaning of these words after reading the line where the particular word has been used. One word has many meanings, many meanings, very well. And particular and exact meaning can be found after reading the context. Here, first of all, you have to read the lines. Here, I find first word is ancient. So line number is also mentioned here. So line number 11. And the word would be highlighted as well. So here this is the word. One look at the python, ancient enemy of the race, and he fled into the house. So looking his ancient enemy, he fled into the house. Ancient enemy. So you have to guess the meaning from the lines. It means very old enemy. So your answer will be very old. You have to be careful the meaning of the word you are writing. It will be in the same form. If the given word is adjective, your meaning very old. This also will be adjective. If your given word is noun, the meaning also will be noun. This is very important. Generally, students commit mistake here. So there will be 3 words and each having 1 mark. So 3 marks. See here, second, intention. So here, line number 18. So intention, grammar is noun. So your meaning also must be noun. It doesn't matter if it is phrase or word. Grammar must be as same as the word itself has. So intention, see what the meaning coming. What the meaning you know from beforehand, is not necessary that same meaning will come from the context. First of all, read the line where the word has been used and then find the meaning. So here I found, I have no intention of getting used to him. So here intention meaning is I have no intention of doing something. So wish, purpose. So meaning is coming wish or purpose, and both are noun, you know very well. One more thing here, you cannot write 2-word meanings in your answer. Don't write more than 1-word meaning in your answer. If you write more than 1 and one is wrong and the other one is correct, you will get no mark for this. Now, question number B. Here you will have 5 questions. 4 questions will be of 2 marks each, and 1 question will be of 1 mark. Any one question will be of 1 mark. So here first question is of 1 mark, and all 4 questions are 8 marks, 2 marks each. So, and question number 3rd, here it will be based on summary. This is also called précis, and here you have to be careful of the word limit. Okay, you have to write your summary in 50 words maximum. 5 words more or less are allowed, but not more than that. If you write less than 45 or more than 40 or more than 50, 4 words, this will not be checked. This will not be checked. See here. If you are writing in more than 54 words, in expression you are getting only half marks. It doesn't matter how well you write, but you will get only half marks for expression, and expression is of 2 marks. Okay? So now you have read questions. Now come to the passage again. And read your passage now in detail. And try to find out the key words or points. And at the end of the passage, jot down the points in your brain. Now, here come to the question again and try to locate the answer of the question of, yes, locate the answer of your question given. So here, how much did the python cost? You have to check the marks. So this is only of 1 mark. So you must find only 1 point. How much did the python cost? Only 1 point. So here ₹4. If you write 4 rupees, you will get 1 mark. So you have to count the points according to the marks the question has. So if you write 4 rupees or the python cost 4 rupees, you will get 1 mark. The same way, second question, how did grandfather impress the children in the bazaar? So this question contains 2 marks. So you know very well you have to write at least 2 points. So see here, if you write here, grandfather impressed the gathering by slinging the python over his shoulders and walking home with it. So there are 2 points. Grandfather slung the python, 1 point. Slung the python over his shoulders and walking home. If you write these points, you'll get marks. One thing, be clear, your answer must be written in your own language, in your own words. You cannot exactly copy the sentences from here. This tactic will not fetch you any mark at all. You have to write in your own sentences. So, write your answer in your own sentences. Write your answer in your own sentences. So here you may write, grandfather slung the python over his shoulders and was walking across with it, and in this way he impressed the children in Bazaar. In the same way, see question 3. How did Toto respond when he saw the snake? Again, this is of 2 marks. So you have to find 2 points. How did Toto react when he saw the python? See here, you have to find 2 points. See, he fled into the house, squealing with fright. So, fled into the house, first point, and squealing with fright, second point. So again, you have to write these points in your own words. So Toto fled. Toto ran into the house crying with fright, with fear. So you will get 2 marks. In the same way we have seen, first of all we count marks. Here how much marks question contain. You find points from your passage, then you are writing in your own language. Now let's come to the third question, that is C. Here this is some rewriting. So here it is. In not more than 50 words, describe grandfather's reaction. You have to describe grandfather's reaction when, not grandfather, this is grandmother. So grandmother's reaction when she saw grandfather bringing the python into the house. So you have to concentrate only the question. You have to search the points relating to the answer of this description of grandmother's reaction. So here description is of 6 marks plus 2 marks is for expression. So you have to, for 6 marks, you have to find 6 points. Now see here. You have to find 6 points describing the reaction of grandmother. So here see number 1. Grandfather heard the noise and he came to the veranda. She nearly fainted. She nearly became unconscious. 2. Third, he quickly asked grandfather to throw that at once. 3, okay. You have to find 6 points. He said that her relative was to come and to stay with them. Cousin Marble is here. So 4 points you got. Now see here. These are the points. She first heard squealing of Toto, first point. Second, came on the veranda. Third, nearly became unconscious at the sight. Number 4, python curled around grandfather's throat. Okay, so she was very frightened and asked the grandfather to get rid of it. She cried in fear. We got 6 points in this way. Now these points should be used in your writing, and this should be very precinct, means exact, written in your own words. So here don't use any proverbs or flowery words. Okay, you may use here indirect narration so that you cannot exceed the limit or come short of the word limit. You should make a grid. You should make a grid like this. You see the grid like this. as we need to write 50 words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. There are 5 columns. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each row contains 10 words. So there are 5 into 10, it means 50 words. So here it is 50. Grades is not necessary, it will not fetch you any marks, but it will help you to not to exceed or come short of the given limit of words. You may do one thing also. First of all, make a rough draft. Okay, write above rough draft and use all the points you have chosen and putting one word in each box and see if you need any correction. If everything is correct, then make a diagonal lines, cut this, and then write fair draft, and then copy this. This will not be marked, this will be marked, fair draft will be marked. In this way, we have completed comprehension. Thank you.